If your YouTube channel is monetized and you are yet to fill in your bank details, that is your payment info, this video is for you because I'm going to teach you how you are going to fill in your payment info in Google AdSense. So when you get monetized, after you reach the threshold of $10, they will notify you to verify your identity, and after that you keep posting, your money keep increasing, and at a point you will be able to find ad payment info in your Google AdSense. So I checked and I saw mine, so I've done mine. And I said, why don't I share this as a tutorial to you people, for those that don't know. So there are things I want you to know first before we get right into the tutorial. Now, for me, what I did, I got a piece of paper and I wrote some information down so that the information I will need for me to be able to fill in the information. And I want you to do the same so that when you are doing it, it will be so easy for you. Now, first of all, there is what we call Swift code. Yes, for your bank. UBA has their own, First Bank has their own, Access Bank, all the banks they have their own. You can get it in two ways. Number one, either you go to the bank and ask them, or you just go to Google, which is the easiest. Go to Google and type First Bank Swift code, UBA Swift code. It will come out, and when it come out, write it down. Write it down. Make sure it's correct. Write it down, and after you've written it down, the next thing you are going to take note of is your bank account number. Do you get? Write it down because you also need it. It's not when you now reach that place, they say, the account number, you don't know it. Write it down. And another thing again is this: some people use their Naira account to receive payment from YouTube. Some people use their dollar account. So it is advisable you use dollar account because YouTube pays in dollars. Yes, they pays in dollars. So if you don't have a dollar account, it's not hard. You know the bank that you already have an account, just go to that bank. Because if you want to create a dollar account, if you go to the bank, they will ask you, do you have an account with us? If you say no, they will tell you to create a normal account first before they. So if you already have an account before, just go to that particular bank and they will create a dollar account for you. Yes. So it's not difficult. It's not. So that being said, make sure the name in your bank is the same name in your Google AdSense. I don't know if you get the same name. It should tally. It should tally. So that means let's get right into the tutorial. So guys, you go to your Google and type Google AdSense. Just type it. Google AdSense. Then you click on sign in. One thing you need to know is that the particular email you use to create the Google should be logged in. So if it's not logged in, you just need to click on your photo here and select the email. So after that, so you see these three lines here by the left hand side of your phone. You click on it and then you click on payment. After clicking on payment, you go ahead and you click on payment info. Then what you need to do is to swipe down. If you can find add payment method, you know that it's time for you to add your payment method. So this is my here, add payment method. So I click on it. So you say add primary payment method. We have two options here. We have add new check details. Second one is add new wire transfer details. So I'm going for this add new wire transfer details. I'll click on it, and this one is the one most people use. They just send it direct to your bank account. So add new wire transfer details. To receive payouts by bank transfer, contact your bank by exchange rate and fees. Bank account must be located in Nigeria and in US dollar currency. So beneficiary ID is optional, so I will leave that. They already put my name here. So I'll just leave it. My name is already feed. I don't know, they just feed my name. It's already feed. So bank name, the name of the bank. So it's Access Bank I'm using. Access Bank. So for the Swift code, like I told you before, you can go to Google and type it. The name of the bank. If it's UBA, say UBA Swift code. If it's Access Bank, any bank, you just type it. So I already have the Swift code here, which I'm going to write. Make sure you don't make any mistake. Just try and do it carefully. ABN GNGLE. Then the account number, also type carefully. So you have to retype the account number to be sure that there is no error. So these other ones are optional. Intermediary bank, ask a bank. These two, FFC or FBO, ask a bank, is optional. You can leave it. So this one that says set as primary payment method. This payment method may need to be verified. If you make this your primary payment method, payment may be delayed. So just set it, tick it. Look at, you can tick, just tick it. Then click on save, or you can decide to go through what you type to be sure that you did not make any mistake. Then you're not going to send your money give another person. Oh, so this is it. Click on save. So let's swipe and see what they wrote. So you can see bank transfer to bank account. It's already here. So this is it. This is it. This manage payment method here is, maybe you want to remove it or you want to edit it, you want to change your account number, you can always do it here. You get, you can always edit, you can always remove and add new one like that. So guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question to ask, kindly ask me on the comment section. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.